Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain what is hacking and what is ethical hacking. Okay, and what are the effects of hacking on business. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. Hacking versus ethical hacking. Most people do not understand the difference between hacking and ethical hacking. These two terms can be differentiated on the basis of the intentions of the people, okay, who are performing hacking activity. However, understanding the true intentions of hackers can be quite difficult. Okay, now see hacking. Hacking refers to exploiting system vulnerabilities and compromising security controls to gain unauthorized or inappropriate access to the system resources. Okay, it involves modifying system or applications feature to achieve goal outside of the creator's original purpose. So this is the hacking. Next, ethical hacking. Ethical hacking involves the use of hacking tools, tricks, and techniques to identify vulnerabilities. So, ensure secure system security. Okay, it focus on simulating techniques used by attacker to verify existence of exploitable vulnerabilities in the system security. Okay, so this is the difference between hacking and ethical hacking. Now, next, effects of hacking on business. Okay, according to the Symantec 2012 State of Information Survey, information cost business worldwide $1.1 trillion annually. Every business must provide strong security for its customer. Okay, otherwise the business may put its reputations at stake and may even face the lawsuit. Okay, attackers use hacking techniques to steal, pilfer, and redistribute intellectual properties of business and turn to make financial gain. Okay, attackers may profit, but the victim business must face huge financial losses and may even lose its reputations. Okay, once attackers gain controls over the user system, he or she can access all the files that are stored on the computers, including personal or corporate financial information, credit card numbers, and client or customer data stored on that system. Okay, if any such information fall into the wrong hand side, so it may create chaos in the normal function of an organizations. Okay, organization must provide a strong security to its critical information source containing customer data and its upcoming release or ideas. Okay, if the data is altered or stolen, a company may lose creativity and the trust of its customers. Okay, in addition to the potential financial loss that may occur, the loss of information may cause business to lose crucial competitive advantages over its rival. Okay, sometimes attackers use botnets to launch various types of DOS, it means denial of service. Okay, and other web based attack. This cause the target business service to go down, which is turn may lead to be loss of revenue. Okay, there are many things that business can do protect themselves and their assets. Knowledge is key component in addressing these issues. Okay, assessment of the risk prevalent in business and how attack could potentially affect that businesses per amount from a security point of view. Okay, one's does not have to be security expert to recognize the damage that can occur when a company is victimized by an attacker. By understanding the problems and empowering employees to facilitate protection against attack, the company will be able to deal with any security issues as they arise. Okay, so these types of hacking effects on business. Thank you for watching.